This is Slimerot Mountain. You can display all your creatures, but especially ones I made, like tricorder and slime rot bot. Whoa, everything collapsed. But that's part of the fun. It's Slimerot Mountain. I decapitated a fly. Look, even Jason's come out. Look, let's see, who else has joined the party? Some of them from sectors. What I like about this guy is this. See, my guy can stand up there all day, all day long in the Slimerot Mountain. My guys stand up there like aces. Right by it. Look how good this shit glows in the black light, man.